Do you want to earn fabulous prizes? Check out this CL water bottle or this keychain. Isn't it adorable? What about this awesome bracelet? Get those pledges, bring them in and support our Run Wild jogathon, and let's run until the cows come home. Do you want to help us earn money for a shade structure and upgrades in our classrooms? Then run wild with us on October 4th at our jogathon. Don't be the elephant in the room. Bring those pledges in. Help us raise lots of money, and then I can stop running around like a chicken with its, well, you know. Do you want to earn prizes and make the school money? Don't be a turkey. Gobble up those pledges.